Arthur C. Clarke said any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. If you were to take these modern chatbot systems and bring them back even to AI researchers 10 years ago, 15 years ago, people would have thought this was magic. What is the next generation going to think of these? Most of us grew up in an era where we really didn't think much of running water and flushing toilets and flipping the light switch on, just sort of background. The youngest generation might think of this advanced AI technology as just the backdrop, the stage at which things unfold. We might forget that these were products of human creation. Even now, it seems like smartphones and laptops, it's hard to imagine how people built these things. Even when we go and we trace the development of transistors and integrated circuits and so on, it's almost too much to fit into a single human mind. How quickly these technologies have developed. The ability to communicate with high-resolution video across the world with the push of a button for basically zero cost compared to developing a television studio even in the 80s. But there's a danger in thinking of these things as magic, of letting them have sort of a reality of their own, thinking of them independent of something that people built. I think we need to be educating this next generation of young people about how we got here with technology. How cell phones actually work, how radio works, how we got from telegraphs to TikToks. It wasn't that long ago. Some of the people who witnessed that are hopefully watching this now. They're still here. But we have a mission critical opportunity to explain this, to explain the transition to young people. We need to be teaching this in school. But if we think about something like the cell phone or even the laptop, we're not teaching this in computer courses. We're not teaching the history of it. And if you go take a history class, you're not going to learn it there. So some of the most important technology that's ever been developed is too old to be taught in any technology course. And it's too new to be taught in any history course. So it's completely absent from the curriculum. We're not teaching it anywhere. And I think the most important academic subject we could be teaching in elementary school, middle school, and university is the history of technology. Because this history is determining our future faster than ever. And while we still have the people here who witness these transitions from the analog to the digital world, we need to transfer that knowledge and that experience and that perspective to the young people. Right? They say children are the message we send to the future. They're the only ones that are going to get there. And we want to make sure they bring humanity with them. If you have any stories about being involved in the early days of computers and internet and AI and technology, we'd love to hear them. Post them below.